got a haircut. I just had to share it because I just got it and I feel so freshly cut. But anyways, today I am going to give you guys tips on how to style yourself. As a celebrity wardrobe stylist, it is not only my job to pull clothes and put together outfits, it's also up to me to make those little tweaks and adjustments that really pull together a look. And sometimes these little things may be as simple as cuffing a shirt, tucking in a shirt, or maybe cuffing your jeans that give a whole look its personal style. And a lot of times it's the littlest things that make the biggest impact. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I am going to show you guys how to cuff your shirts, your jeans, and tuck in your shirts. And I know you guys are like, really, Lindsay? I don't think there is anyone on this earth, unless they're an infant, that doesn't know how to do this themselves. But I'm telling you, I do this for my celebrity clients all the time. I'm always helping them cuff things or deciding when something should be tucked in or not. And I'm gonna show you guys how I do this on myself and my clients, and maybe you'll get inspired. It's funny how just the simple adjustment of a cuff on a shirt completely changes the look from boring. I mean, you guys, really, I just feel really covered up and conservative right now. Although I do appreciate being conservative, it's not my style all the time. So this is how I cuff my shirts all the time. Obviously, the typical rolling up, pushing them up the arm is standard, right? But how I do it to give it a bit of a street style vibe is I take the sleeve and I do one roll all the way up the arm. And don't worry about keeping it straight, just roll it all the way up the arm. So you can see I just kind of get over my bicep. And then you roll the bottom part. That way, the cuff of the shirt kind of fans out and kind of hugs the arm, and then you just roll the bottom part. And you guys, don't worry about making it all neat and perfect. I mean, if that's what you want and that's more of your style, then go for it. I'm just showing you how I typically roll my own sleeves. So this is basically how I do it. Oh, I feel so much better. I was like so covered up and drowning. But as you guys can see, my look is more of like that relaxed kind of J. Crew look, and it's much more Lindsay than the one before. Now for cuffing your jeans. Now we all know how to cuff our jeans where they're clean little cuffs and both sides are even, but I wanna kind of throw things off a little bit, and this is what I usually do with myself and my clients. So it kind of looks like you didn't mean to do it messy, but you did. You know, it's kind of like that balance between like, oh, I just threw these on and just cuff them, but you actually spent a little time on them. So basically what I do is I don't think about it. That's the first thing, you guys. You just go down, so you're just gonna kind of bunch them up like that. Just kind of maybe roll them up and roll a little like that. And kind of pull a little out. You know, so you guys are seeing, like, I'm just kind of rolling them, but rolling them out a little on some sides, just so they don't look even, and it kind of gives them a bit of a street style look. So they look undone, but completely done. As you can see, those little tweaks took this outfit from this to this. We all learned in grade school how to tuck in our shirt all the way around, and that's not what this is all about. You guys know how to do that, and I know how to do that. We're seeing a lot of shirts in fashion that are kind of billowy. Sometimes they're a little tunic style, so they're a bit longer. And I personally love to tuck in just a little bit in the front. As you can see, this shirt, it looks great as it is. But sometimes maybe I'll want to give it a different look. So just depending on how I feel that day, I may want to tuck it a little bit right in the front. Sometimes I'll go dead center, right where the button is. But sometimes I'll do it a little to the side. So you can see it kind of creates that little drape. It creates a waist and draws toward where your waistband is. So it really creates shape and shows your waist off. It's okay if it kind of hangs loose in the back. I mean, I like that. It's just my preference. I have no issues with that at all. And I kind of like that it's kind of like more of a relaxed, comfortable, kind of loose sensibility. So that's it for my styling knowledge that I dropped on you guys. I hope you guys realize that those little adjustments make the biggest impact and really help show your personal style. Please let me know what you guys thought below. Were you inspired? Did you like this? Are you like Lindsay? Come on, this is old news. No, you're not gonna say that, right? Please let me know your comments below. Please also give me a thumbs up if you like me, and a favorite if you love me, and a sub if you haven't, and I will see you guys next week. Bye. Celebrities of 2014, and one of the costumes, I wouldn't really call them the biggest celebrity, but I'm just a big time watcher of the show. It's a reality show, so I had to recreate the costume. So I'm gonna show you really fun, easy, funny, silly costumes.